On March 21st, 2025, the world was stunned. President Donald Trump unveiled America's secret project, the F-47 fighter jet, a weapon shrouded in mystery for over a decade, now revealed to the world. The story begins in 2014 under DARPA's Aerospace Innovation Initiative. Years of hidden research, advanced laboratories, and billions in funding led to this moment. The result? A machine unlike anything seen before. The F-47 is built on revolutionary stealth technology, making it nearly invisible to enemy sensors. It flies faster than Mach 2, slicing through the skies with unmatched speed. But speed and stealth are just the beginning. This aircraft is designed not to fly alone, but to command an entire fleet of unmanned combat drones. A single F-47 becomes the leader of a digital swarm, rewriting the future of aerial warfare. The announcement sent shockwaves around the globe. Allies saw reassurance, while adversaries felt the pressure. From Moscow to Beijing, radar screens searched for an enemy they might never detect. Beyond strategy, the F-47 promises to revolutionize American industry. New technologies, new jobs, and a reaffirmation of U.S. leadership in aerospace innovation. The message is clear. America is not only prepared for the future of war, it is creating it. The F-47, a ghost of the future skies,